Hey, my name is Arseni and I am an artist working in the game industry. And can you guess what was my biggest struggle since I've started drawing? It was a big and scary monster hiding in the closet. Yes, you're right, it's anatomy. And I not only didn't have a proper weapon to beat this monster, but also I was afraid to open the closet and start the fight. If you experience it right now, don't be afraid, I've got you. Throughout the years of work and practice, now I finally forged an ultimate weapon to beat anatomy in the quickest way possible. And I forged this weapon for you. This principle will completely transform your life as an artist and make your progress in drawing anatomy infinitely faster. So make sure to watch the whole video till the end. Let's get started. Of course, when you see any video on how to draw anatomy, every one of these saying, start with the basics. But what the heck are basics? And then comes the chaos. Some say start with Loomis method, others say with Riley method. It would be a better one. Use box shapes instead of circles for blockouts. Do gesture drawing or don't do this at all, and so on. And then beginner artists run into a big trouble nobody talks about. And by big, I mean a great trouble of not knowing from what to start. But I have a perfect solution to it. To understand how to quickly improve your anatomy skills, let me tell you one little story. When I saw all these methods, honestly, I was too scared to start. So for a long time I didn't draw anatomy at all, until one day. This day I've just had a desire to draw a character, and I was so sick of all of these methods and I said, screw it, I'll be drawing the way I want. This is my canvas and my rules. And I started drawing with shapes I thought were suitable for each particular part of the body. Male torsos I drew with the box shape. For female torsos and very dynamic male poses, I used circles to make anatomy more fluid. In one character I wanted to start with the head, in others with the torsos and legs. So I completely broke all of the rules. And in the end, something happened. I've realized that those characters I drew got pretty cool. They had their own unique flow and they were drawn with passion because I've just let myself to be completely free. So not following any methods is worked for me perfectly. And you can see I still using it every time I draw characters. And now more specifically, how can you apply this in your own practice? First, you have to push the like button. Sorry, I couldn't resist. But jokes aside, firstly, start with the way you want. If you feel comfortable to draw gestures at the beginning, do so. For example, in this pose I felt more comfortable to start legs with gesture, because they were very dynamic, and why not? If gesture drawing is not what you like to do, skip this part and make a blockout of the body. It could be box shapes or circles. You can even combine them like I did. For example, if your character has a very pronounced boxy chest and pelvis, but also has very dynamic flowing arms, you can freely use boxes for chest and pelvis to make them look solid, and use more fluid circles for the arms. The same principle applies to masculine and feminine characters. In masculine characters, it's much easier to block out with boxes, and for feminine characters with circles. In this way, you will emphasize peculiarities of any body type in any illustration. As you can see, this principle fully relies on your feeling and lets you draw in the way you want. With it, you will not spend a ton of hours deciding what method to follow and how to start. Remember, you are an artist, a free creative soul, and you should create in your own manner. By doing it, you will have an inspiration for thousands of the next character drawings. You build your motivation and skills with every new drawing. And you are not thinking, oh, should I do this or start with that? You are just going with the flow in your own unique way. And the best part of it, that you are improving your skills, breaking any speed limits. Subscribe for more art videos and see you soon.